This is an old market in the northern part of Iran. The name of this city is Langrad, and it is located in Jilan province. In this market, both farmed and sea fish are sold. My friend and I strolled around this market a bit. Of course, I felt a little sad seeing the dead fish that were alive just moments ago. When I asked the fish seller if he felt sad about the death or cutting up of the fish, he surprisingly said no and laughed a little at my comment. This market, sometimes other animals like ducks and chickens are sold. But mostly different types of fish are available for sale. At the end of this market, there was a yard full of birds, and people would feed them seeds to fulfill their wishes. We went there, fed them some seeds, found a bit of peace, and then we returned.